Hey, I'm your neighbor.
Ew! Shoo! Pick a different spot. Your little playhouse has no place here. You can't use this anymore.
But that's my home.
Not anymore. This land is my property. Huh? What is that?
Hello, peasants. What did you just call us? I can't wait to build my new mansion here. Wow.
Huh? Mansion?
Oh, you dropped your jaw, honey. Oh, keep your sign off my property.
This is my property.
Not anymore.
I guess it's hers. Oh,
It's not fair.
you said it, girl.
Clean it up.
I'm so hungry.
Now, what should I build here? Modern chic? No. That's not bad. Nope. Will you subscribe to help me decide? I'm gonna need professional help.
You rang?
Are you the highest paid engineer in town?
Of course! Would I be wearing gold if I wasn't?
You are hired. Here is the down payment.
Whoa!
I tip generously. I need it done ASAP.
So what am I working with?
Who turned off the lights?
Whoa! Oh! Huh?
It's just a box. This just gave me an idea. I can make a home out of this box. Look, I made it myself.
Oh, you're ridiculous. My home is not gonna be that shabby. Quickly! Over here!
Here you go.
Don't come any closer. Here.
Paying up front, I see. Nice doing business with you. I'll start right away. First, I need to lay the bricks down. Then, another layer on top until I build a wall.
Perfect.
I'll be done in no…
Oh, you heard. You know what can fix that? Money.
Hey, that's more like it.
Ooh,
It's done.
not bad. Now go.
Ooh, I knew a cupboard would be this heavy.
Huh? What am I gonna do?
Oh, I know. A roll of tape will do the trick. Watch me build a house with just tape and a dream.
And that's the last one.
Yeah. Huh? That's it? That is so ugly. You are fired. It is so brown. It needs a sprinkle of gold. I'll grate coin all over the bricks. See that? That's the color we want. A splash of rich gold glitter. Wow! It is finally perfect. But one more thing. The roof needs to be gold too. I'll dip the roller into the paint. Then I'll roll it all over the roof. And there you have it. My very own golden house.
What does it even mean?
It's upside down.
Thanks, I get it now. Now let's see if I can flip this house. Then I'll add a tire here and one on the other side. Awesome!
Whoa! Isn't that a bit too much?
Over here. Just put it right over this house. Here is something for your work. Oops. Do you take checks?
Whoa!
Wow, a golden bar? I know what to do with you. It can hold up my home for a couple of inches. Home sweet home.
Well, I better get right to work. I'll lay the gold bars side by side. Then I'll roll a pin over it to make a shingle. I'll do it a couple of times and voila! A roof made of gold. Classy, isn't it? I'm so excited to decorate.
Oh. Huh? No, you don't. Are you kidding me? Stop it! Stay down. Whew. Yeah! That does it! You're gonna stay down whether you like it or not.
That's what you get for making a house out of cardboard. I'll add a window so I don't miss that golden hour.
Hey, I want a window too. I want the fences home,
on my way.
and I want it now. Oh well, any ideas?
A couple.
I just want it expensive.
Say no more. What color do you want for the walls?
Oh, how exciting! They're all so nice, but my heart says only one thing. Pink!
Great choice.
It's perfect! You can just feel how expensive it is.
Only the best materials for you. I can't finish up here without a window. You know what? Make that 2. What do you think?
It's just what I wanted. Bravo! Here is your payment.
Whoa! This can feed me for life.
Bye!
I won't stay put. You leave me no choice.
No! Here, take my money. Take it all.
Now let's put windows on this thing. Oh, it's gorgeous.
You know what this house is missing? Lights! I'll stick a LED strip below the roof. Pink lights are the way to go.
Haha! Did somebody say lights?
Turn it on! Somebody!
Can't even turn the lights on yourself?
Oh, great! I should call the gardener. Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, come here.
You need plants together? Here's some rare golden palms, all the way from the Amazon.
Wow! Awesome! I'll pay you a generous amount for them. Put it on the card.
Oh, payment accepted. Till next time.
It's all coming together.
Gold plants? She has everything. Maybe I can plant my own. Ew! That's disgusting! Hey, you are used to dirt, right? Can you put soil in the pots?
Oh, sure. I'll take a handful and drop them in. Your plants are gonna be thriving.
You can go now.
Hug?
At least clean your hands first.
Oh, I like them dirty. You did not have to do that.
Go be dirty somewhere else. Time to get to work. I may not have gold plants, but I have the prettiest flowers on the block. And that's better than gold. Now all I have to do is put them all around the house. My house is ready for visitors. Huh? What?
I want plants too. Good thing I can DIY my way through anything. I'll put a sponge in this box. Then I'll stick these cardboard flowers in it. It's looking more like a garden, isn't it? Wow! This seems like a good spot. All done, but I know what is missing. I lay a cardboard flat. Then I'll draw a bulb on it using a pen. Now I'll color it with a permanent marker, and voila! We have a bulb. But one is not enough for me. I have to make them in different colors. That way, my tiny home will be colorful. It's beautiful. Check this out.
I know what we're missing. A fence. Nothing beats a good old white picket fence. It's gonna look so good with the roses. Now, this is what I call a home.
She probably will notice if I take a piece. I'll give it back before she knows it. All I need to do is trace it on the cupboard. And we're done with phase 1. Thanks! That turned out pretty well. You can't even tell the difference. Pretty cute, huh?
You mean pretty awful. Thanks for showing me what not to do.
You want a fence, madam?
Gold. Install it.
As you wish. That'll be 10 grand.
Do you take gold?
Boy, do I?
Just take it.
All right, no take backs.
Bye.
home, you know? Oh, you're not gonna survive this, mister. Yeah! These guys make a great pathway. I love it.
Genius! But I want my pathway to be gold! I'll sprinkle some gold magic dust on the path, and a golden pathway will appear! Great job! How about a test run? Oh, it's not perfect.
Now's my chance. She won't know a thing. I gotta work fast if I want that expensive pathway too. Please, magic dust, work for me. It created a money pathway. It is everything I've ever dreamed of. Thank you.
I've got to fix that. Where is the tree? My dad's gonna be so mad.
Oh, poor girl. I have to help her. 911?
Whoops, the tree.
I didn't do anything.
It's what so? Well, see about that.
Yeah, you are not gonna find anything there.
What about on you? You better not be hiding anything in here. The tree.
Here you go.
Your tree, madam.
Thank you.
As for you, you'll be fined $1,000. Pay up.
It's not fair. $1,000? Is this a joke?
Whew, the weather is unbearable. I wish I had AC in here, but all I got are these sunnies. Now that's what I'm talking about. So, do you want to learn more study hacks? Then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.
Time for my daily dose of vitamin D. And how about I have fun in a ball pit while I'm at it? But first, sunbathing.
Wow, don't mind if I do.
Woohoo! What the? Get out of my pool! This is insane!
Why, you little… Whoa!
Please sign this!
Aw, sure.
Can we get a selfie? Over here! Quiet!
Sure, I'll sign this for you. Oh, wow, thank you.
I'm watching you.
Whatever. I'll give you something to watch. La 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 la, I'm working late 'cause I'm a singer.
What's going on?
La 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 la. You got something to say,
keep
Blondie?
it down. Nobody wants to hear you sing.
Well, tough luck, Grandma.
What seems to be the problem? Officer, she's trespassing on my property.
I'd take a closer look if I were you.
Looking good so far. Fake? You were arrested for falsifying documents.
Oops, you got me. This is gold.
You were going away for a long time.
It's Vanessa! Hey, girl! What's up? Hey! And what's with the bandage? You hurt yourself?
Hey, Annie. I hurt my leg. Wanna see? Brutal!
Oh my gosh! And that's not all.
Hey, I broke my arm. What are the odds, right?
What? This is a disaster!
It's not so bad.
I wish I could help. And I know just the thing!
What?
No more chatting. I have work to do. Materials? Assemble! There's no better time. Oh, my spider! Ah! I don't remember keeping that. But these? What can I make? I know!
Here, fishy fishy. Wow, I just love fish.
Yep, I know. Good thing I have lots of yarn. But I'll need a little extra help. See how it's wrapping around? A few more. There! Pull this extra piece over and tie it with the other end. Now it's the perfect shape. Snip, snip. Watch the fingers. Almost. There! It's a puff, but that's just the first step. More cutting! Aw, so cute! Now wrap it with pink yarn. Be sure to cover it all. See? A little hot glue goes a long way. Quick, before it dries! Look familiar yet? Just you wait! There! It's a little fishy! With fins and eyes and everything! Adorable! It looks so real! Like it's in water! That's one present done! And what about my other friends? Let's see… Wait, who's calling me? Hey! Hey, still here. And still in pain. Hospitals are boring, man. Don't worry. What? Just one toy. Hey, wait! I have a car too! Hold on. The jewels? The car? That's just it! Gotta run! I'll be here. Bye! I have to make her a gift. But I'll need more materials. See what I'm saying? No worries. I'll just show you. And I'll be using lots of hot glue. There! More cars! I want this thing looking like a parking lot. Awesome! So many cars! A car belt, if you will. Let's see… Whoa! It fits! Pretty sick, right? She's just gonna love it! I'm like a crafty Santa Claus. But I'm not quite done. Aw, look! My bestie's the cutest. With the thing she loves most. That gives me an idea. Out you go! Now I'm thinking outside the box. Ta-da! Fun design, right? Just a small part of the big picture. And since my bestie loves games, I'll make her one from scratch. From the buttons to the controls. They look just like the real deal. Aw, these hearts are so cute. Nothing but love for my friend. All done. With that part, anyway. Here's one half of my heart. Hold on. There! It can sit right in here. Same with the other half. Look! Can you bring them together? So cute!